Of course, the reward is guaranteed for the Muslim and the non-Muslim, because the Prophet Allah paid the non-Muslim a visit. We were with us from the previous classes. The Prophet Allah paid a visit to the person who was a Jewish boy. He was serving the Prophet of Allah, and he embraced Islam before he died. So the visit here for the sick person who is from the disbelievers, it has to be accompanied with the reminders of how to call him to Islam and all of that. It has to be. It's not just to say to him, yeah, well done, you're kufr, and stay on your kufr. And no, you have to remind him of the alhamdulillah. And you know, we don't know. One word can flip him and make him to embrace Islam. So we are falling short, Ikhwani, on this. By this, I'm going to tell you that with the delight that yesterday we had an occasion where a person who is from the Hindu background, and he's only 40 years old. Subhanallah, he embraced Islam. And we were so thrilled with that. That person needed just that push. He was, I say that he's been cooked properly. He's just ready for eating. I could see that from the way he's, so alhamdulillah, give him that push. And he uttered the shahada. We were so thrilled with that. Okay? And the reason why that he embraced Islam, number of reasons, of course, the dua and the admonishing and all of that. But this person, he couldn't find his happiness in the way that he's living. He found comfort when he is accompanying the Muslim. He could see the way that they are with each other. He could see that they are not bothered if their in their dunya goes up and down. They are linked with Allah Azza wa Jal. Regardless of how much money have you got, if you got spiritual emptiness, from spiritual emptiness, you commit suicide. You kill yourself. Because you've given up. When you know there's an Allah merciful, Allah is there for you, Allah is testing you, then you have a goal in this life. So as soon as he embraced Islam, he kept saying, Wallah, you are really good people. Relax. And subhanallah. Now, the people who have witnessed this shahada are behind there.